Wondering on how to look up a Utah license plate number? Go to detailedvehiclehistory.com and select License Plate Lookup. Enter your info, along with your license plate and state. Simply enter your email address, license plate number, state, and leave a phone number for future support. Decode the initial info of your vehicle for free. Our license plate decoder helps you to decode information like VIN, year, make, model, and engine for free. Get the history of a vehicle and additional credits in a few clicks. View the detailed history records of the vehicle, including auction photos and records when available, including title and ownership history. From the Vehicle History Report, you can check Vehicle Summary, Vehicle Usage Report, Ownership History, Auction History with photos, Title Brand Check, Event Verification, Mileage Records, Accident Records, Damage Verification, Detailed Vehicle History, and Vehicle Recalls. Go to detailedvehiclehistory.com today to look up detailed history from your U.S. license plate.